Hey now besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the Beetles Tipex nail kit, and I'm going to be showing you how to do your gelx extensions at home and get flawless application like a pro. If you're interested in this kit, I'm going to link it down below. You're going to start off by sizing your nail tips and making sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall. You're going to want to remove the shine from your natural nail. So in this step, I'm going to be using an e-file just to lightly buff the surface of my natural nail. Remove any dust with an alcohol wipe, and then you're going to go in with your primer and nail bond. In this demonstration I am using nail gel glue since I don't want my application to last, since this is only a demonstration, but make sure you go and do all of those steps if you want your gelx to last at least 4 to 6 weeks. I'm applying base coat to my nail, and then I'm going to cure for 60-90 seconds. You can also use nail gel glue for this step as well. These gelx extensions are super durable and they already come pre-etched, so you don't have to do that part. They already have the look and feel of an acrylic nail. When you fully prepped your nail, now you're ready to apply your extension. So you're going to be using the nail gel glue that comes with this kit. You're going to apply a small layer to the edge surface of the gelx extension. Keep in mind, a little goes a long way. You're going to be applying the extension at a 45-degree angle. I use a tip of, once the nail gel glue reaches the tip of my natural nail, then I go in and I flash cure. You can see there are no air bubbles. Here you're just going to continue and complete the same steps as before. go in at that point and file your nail tips and get the desired shape if you want, but I like the way that these turned out. I did add some cat eye gel polish at the end just to show you, but look how cute they look. If you like the glass look, this would be cute to wear this time. This is the coffin shape, but they do offer a variety of lengths and shapes, so I do recommend this kit. I'm going to link it below, but let me know what you think in the comments.